Hi guys, how can you blend any necklace or any object into an image in Photoshop like this? First, open the image that contains the necklace or object you want to use. Select the lasso tool and make a selection around the necklace. Once the selection is complete, press Ctrl+C to copy it. Now go to your main image where you want to place the necklace. Drag that main to the plus icon to create a copy. Press Ctrl+V to paste the copied necklace onto the image. Press Ctrl+T to free transform and adjust the necklace around the neck area. Resize and rotate it if needed, then press Enter to confirm. Hold the Shift key and select both the necklace layer and the copied background layer. Go to Edit Auto Blend Layers. Select Stack Images and make sure the two options at the bottom are enabled. Then press OK. Then hold the Shift key, select the blended layers, create a group. This is the before and this is the after. And that's how you can easily blend any object into an image in Photoshop.